Good afternoon, students. Now we can study about applications of Newton's law of gravitation. First one is dimensions of heavenly bodies can be measured using the gravitation law. Mass of the earth, radius of the earth, acceleration due to gravity, etc. can be calculated with a high accuracy. So these and all already we studied in this lesson. Using the Newton's law of gravitation, we can find the radius of the earth, mass of the earth, acceleration due to gravity with high accuracy. They can find using with the law. Next, the second one is helps in discovering new stars and planets. So using the Newton's law of gravitation to help the discovering new stars and planets. Next, one of the irregularities in the motion of stars is called Hubble, lead to the disturbance in the motion of a planet nearby. That means the stars can be moved slowly near the planets to disturb the planets. So that time, astronomer using with this law, Newton's law of gravitation, in this condition to calculate the mass of the stars can be calculated using the law of gravitation. And fourth one is helps to explain germination of roots is due to the property of geotropism, which is the property of your root responding to the gravity. That means using with the Newton's law of gravitation, how the plants can be growth upwards and downwards. The roots can be downwards growth and the stem can be grow upwards. So using with the Newton's law of gravitation to find the germination or explain the germination of roots due to the property of geotropism, which is the property of your root responding the gravity. So without gravity, the root cannot be moved inwards, downwards. So fifth one is to help the predict the path of astronomical bodies. So and astronomer to find out the path of the astronomical bodies. Astronomical bodies means so out of the solar system, inside the solar system are celestial bodies. So astronomer to find out the Newton's law of gravitation using with this law to find the path of astronomical bodies. This is the 5 points applications of Newton's law of gravitation. Next one is see the picture astronomy or astronomer. Both are called the same. So astronomy is the scientific study of stars, planets and other things in space. So these and all fifth point and third point you can understand. Astronomy, so the study the stars, galaxy, planets and more using with the Newton's law of gravitation. Our solar system is made up of celestial bodies. What is the celestial body? Natural objects in the sky. Sun, planets, satellite, comet, asteroid, meteorites. These and all finding with the Newton's law of gravitation. And these and all you can see and understand the concept of Newton's law of gravitation, finding the stars, the celestial bodies. And next one is formation of universe and the other celestial bodies. So this is also you can learn about Newton's law of gravitation to find the path of celestial or astronomical bodies. And what are the celestial bodies made up of? So a star is the formation of celestial object made up of shining sphere of plasma held together by its own gravity. So without gravitational force does not find out the any celestial objects to our formation. So planets, satellites, comets, asteroids, meteor, galaxies. And secondly, this is also you can understand the concept of Newton's law of gravitation. So applications means uses. So which way do the stars move across the sky? You can see and understand the concept. Next, already fourth point I told you, applications of Newton's law of gravitation, geotropism or gravitopism. So geotropism, there are two, negative and positive. Negative tropism means negative geotropism is defined as the upward growth of plant pot against the gravity. So next one is geotropism. So the roots grow in the direction of gravitational pull downward and the stems grow in the opposite direction upwards. So this is the behavior can be easily demonstrated with any potted plant. So you can understand the concept of gravitropism or geotropism. And second one is gravitropism, is also known as, already I told you, geotropism. So is a coordinated process of differential growth by a plant or a fungus in response to gravity pulling on it. So it is the general features of all higher and many lower plants as well as other organisms. So scientists also told, first to scientifically document the roots will show positive tropism. Already I told you negative tropism, and the stems show negative tropism. So roots show positive gravitropism and the stems show negative gravitropism. So roots grow in the direction of gravitational pull downwards and the stem grow in the upward directions. So you can see astronomer to find the earth mass, other next gravitropism. You can see and understand the concept. Thank you, students.